महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुंडलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
All these years, I have been waiting for this day. We have now on the 21st Sahasrara. So, it's a very important turning point. As you know that every 21st day we change our calendars as far as the horoscope is concerned. And so now, is a new change has to come. And you can see the announcement. A new understanding and awareness of a very new dimension. We have been so far dealing with collective consciousness. We are collectively conscious. We have the idea that we are collectively conscious. Also, we know we are part and parcel of the whole. And that we all are Sahaja-yogis. We know about our chakras and our nadis very clearly. But perhaps we do not know about our powers. How many powers have developed in those 21 years within yourself? Last 2 months, Italy was burning with fire. It was so very hot. And I read reports that they are worried about the drought and they want rain to come in, and now they think the time has passed away. But how it works, you see, because the all-pervading power knows everything. And the whole nature works for your benefit, for your programs. At the right time, things happen as you have seen before. They are completely coordinated with our programs. All the time they are helping you. Whatever they have in themselves as powers, they are using them at the right time. Now be confident that you have powers. And this is the new change that is going to come within your own understanding. So far, only you knew that you could feel the vibrations, that you could cure people, you could help to cure, I mean, still not so confident, that you could feel the Param Chaitanya. But you did not know what dynamic forces are working in you now. And this is the new change that is going to come. With this new change, you have to assume a new character. And the new character is announcement. So far I told you not to talk about Sahaja Yoga very openly, blatantly. But now the time has come. We waited long for these days. Now you have to all start talking about it, announcing about it, and telling about it to everyone. Otherwise, the world would say that we never knew about it. All other false gurus are so well known all over because their disciples are talking about them, all the places wherever they can, to all the big offices they go, to big people they go to all the important people. Just go and tell them what they have. So far we had kept Sahaja Yoga at a low ebb, because I wanted you, first of all, to develop into really very beautiful Sahaja Yogis, so that from your life, from your lifestyle, from your behavior, from your understanding, from your thoughts, people will realize that these people are very unique. A very different type of people. Now that assumption has to be there. You have to understand that all these powers are bubbling in you. And just out of formality, or maybe out of shyness, or maybe little cowardice, you are hiding them. The other day there was a Sahaja Yogi who came to my house and he saw some flowers which were fading away. I said, they are not fading, you can give them life. He said, how? I said, you cut the bottom of all of them. and put your hand underneath. Check these children away. Just what book he has got. And he just put his hands under the base of the stem. And he said, Mother, they are still drooping. I said, all right, now leave them in the water. His attention was here and there. Within 15 days, they all stood up. All right. Started growing. They became bigger flowers and lasted for 5 days more after that. Then he was convinced. You can do so many things to convince yourself that you have these powers. I have seen people who have certain problems. They have a headache, they have this, that, they come to me. Write big letters. Mother, I get my headache, I can't get rid of it. Now those days are gone, where mother has to cure her headache, look after your wife, look after your children, is all finished now. Now you are responsible, not only for yourself, but for your ashrams, for your cities, for your countries, and for the whole world. Now assume your powers. Like yesterday, he sang this, or he played the royal court. So now you are in the royal court. Take up your responsibilities. Everybody has to feel responsible and assume what you are. Know your powers, what you can do. Sit down. Now the days are gone when you had to sit down and count your blessings. Now you have to count your powers. How many powers I have, and what I can use and how I can use. No use counting your miracles. You have had enough miracles to prove that you are Sahajogis and that you are helped by the Param Chaitanya. But now know how much of that Param Chaitanya you are going to use yourself, how you are going to maneuver it, and how you are going to work out. This is the new era we are starting from today. And this is the day I was waiting for all of you to realize that you are not Sahajogis for only your selfish ends, nor for your families, nor for your communities, nor for your country, but for the whole world. Expand yourself. You must have that vision before you that I have put many a times before you people, that you have to emancipate the humanity. Now don't have diffidence. First of all, you should not think that we are very ordinary people. We are very ordinary. We haven't got something special about it. This work is not going to be done by special people because they are suffering from ego. It is going to be done by people who don't have that ego of great success or of great achievements or riches or anything. If they are rid of this, then only they can work it out.